I'm going to go through two more examples with our exponential growth and decay models. So we're using these models. Remember, if it is growth, you're going to do 1 plus, and if it is decay, you're going to do 1 minus. And we are going to do example 2. Example 1 was in our notes from Thursday, so go back to Canvas to look at those. And then here's example 2. A car worth $25,000 when purchased new depreciates, that's a key word there, at a rate of 2.5% per year. All right, so depreciates, the reason that that's such an important word is because that means that this is going to be decay, which means we are going to use the 1 minus r to the t. Now remember, on the ones where we're writing the equation, the y is going to stay a y, the t is going to stay a t, the a is going to get replaced with my initial amount, and the r is going to get replaced with my rate. But don't forget that rate needs to be written as a decimal. So I am going to move this decimal 2 places to the left, because that's how I change a percent to a decimal. When there's a blank spot like that, you put a 0 in there. And then I put a 0 out front. You don't really need that 0 out front. Okay, so my equation now becomes y equals a times 1 minus 0.025 to the t. And the only thing I can really do here is this subtraction inside my parentheses, 1 minus 0.025, so that's 0.975 to the t. Notice this right here is my growth factor. I know it's decay, but we still call it a growth factor. The fact that it is less than 1 tells me that it's decay, So that is if we are just writing an equation. If we're just writing an equation, the y stays a y, the t stays a t, the a and the r get replaced. Now, if we're asked to solve, like in example 4 or 3, we did 4, we skipped 3 because I wanted to do a decay one in class, then we are going to plug in everything except for y and then plug into our calculator. So the population of an island is 2,406. Of my 4 variables, I am thinking that one's going to be my a, but let's finish reading just to be sure. If the population is increasing, so I'm going to be growth, which means I'm going to do 1 plus r. At a rate of 3%, that's definitely my r, which written as a decimal is 0.03. Per year, what will the population be in 25 years? That's my t, and I was right that 2,406 is my a. So plugging this in, 2,406 times 1 plus 0.03 to the 25. Now I'm going to go to my online calculator, which I need to pull up. And I'm going to plug in exactly that. So exactly as I see it. I could simplify a little bit, but I don't have to if I'm going to my online calculator. So why is it doing that? 240. Why is it doing that? Because I have my number locks on. 2406 parenthesis 1 plus 0.03 parenthesis to the 25. And I get 5,037.6. Let's go to the nearest whole number since it's people, 5,038. Is that right? Did I mess that up? Yeah, 5,037.6. The 6 tells you to round up to a 7, to an 8. Ugh. There we go. And that's it. That's it.